Hazrat Nafi' has reported from Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Tell me a tree whose example is like that of a Muslim, which always produces fruit at its Lord's behest and its leaves don't shed." A thought swept through my heart that it was date palm. But I did not like speaking, as Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu and Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu were also present there. When they both did not talk, gave a reply, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "That is date palm." When I came out along with my father, I said, "Father," it surged through me that it was a date palm. He thereupon said, "If you had told it, it would have been dearer to me than such and such thing." He submitted only this, that I did not see you, and Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu prevented me from talking. So I felt my articulation undesirable. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6144.